Hey y'all, it's NowIAmNappy, and I'm back finally doing some other videos. I'm going to be doing this really bomb product review for you guys from Hennasooq. I'm so happy I got to collaborate on their new Henna Bar exclusive collection. I received this beautiful box, if you haven't seen, as well as my t-shirt. I will show you in a second what that looks like. And you guys, I'm going to be using their new Cassia Curls and Moisture Mask. This has 3 Ayurvedic herbs. It's Cassia, amla, and aloe. And you guys, this will be my second time using this mask, and my hair loves it. Talk about strength and moisture combined in one. Like, yes. And the great thing about this mask is it's already pre-mixed. So you don't have to add water, you don't have to add anything else. But you know, you guys, I gotta do a little extra for y'all, just a little bit, okay? And also in this box came the Moroccan argan oil, which, you guys, argan oil is amazing for your scalp and for your skin. It is nourishing, it can replenish your skin, it can strengthen and moisturize. So of course, I'm gonna do this quick little DIY recipe and apply the mask and tell you all about these benefits, okay? So this pre-made pack should always be kept in the freezer. So I'm gonna begin by just emptying its contents into a container. If you have shoulder length hair, you'll need about this entire package. If your hair is longer, you may need about 2 packs. I always enjoy adding a bit of oil to my mask, so I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of the sesame and amla oil. You guys, argan oil is amazing. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. The argan oil has strengthening benefits and can repair and heal damaged hair. It also is one of the oils that can penetrate deep into the hair shaft, providing nutrients, and can help treat psoriasis and eczema. So I always prefer to work in sections, starting with the back. The gloss is going on so easily. It feels so good. Now let's go ahead and talk about some of these amazing properties of this mask while I apply it to my hair. Now, I previously done a video on Cassia, but Cassia is amazing for naturally conditioning and adding luster and shine to your hair. It also has the ability to thicken and naturally highlight light-colored hair. It can improve your scalp condition and eliminate dandruff. Amla, which I did in my previous Tip Tuesday video, is also amazing and is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, and that helps to prevent hair loss, stimulate growth, prevent gray hair, and nourish the scalp. And finally, we have good old aloe. Aloe is amazing, you guys. Has so many vitamins, B1, B2, B6, folic acid. All those are beneficial for preventing hair loss and graying, nourishing the scalp. It has minerals such as calcium and iron, which help maintain a healthy hair and scalp. All right, now that my mask is all applied, I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for about an hour, and then I will be rinsing it out. All right, you guys, so I just got out of the shower. I rinsed out the Cassia and did a deep conditioner treatment, and just want to show you guys what my hair looks like. It is so soft and springy, and I'm really looking forward to styling it, which I will do for you guys, and I'll come back on once it's finished. Okay, you guys, so that's it for the Cassia Curls Moisture Mask. It was amazing. It had strengthening properties, it had moisturizing properties. Can't forget about the argan oil that really adds, it helps boost it, I think, the mask to another level. I felt during the week I had minimal shedding. My hair just felt amazing, and I definitely recommend that you try this pre-made mask, especially if you're new to Ayurveda and you're trying to figure out, how you want to incorporate it into your regimen. These pre-made mixes are perfect for you guys. I also have a treat. I do have a discount code, so you can go ahead and use that, and that will be linked down below as well. So that's it for today's wash day video. If you guys have any questions, you want to learn about DIY videos, I have a ton of them on my channel, some with pre-made mixes and some completely from scratch to help you heal hair loss, strengthen your hair. So definitely subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. And that's it for this week's wash day video. All right.